హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ బిట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద 10th క్లాస్ బయాలజికల్ సైన్స్ బిట్స్ అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాను. మనకి టైం ఎంతో లేదు కాబట్టి సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ క్విక్ రివిజన్స్. మీకు ఇది చాలా ఈ క్విక్ రివిజన్స్ బిట్స్ అనేవి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది ఎగ్జామ్ ఇన్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, ఎగ్జామ్ వ్యూ. సో let's start. All organisms are made up of a small microscopic unit called, is it a cells? B, it's a tissue. C, it's an atom. D, none of the above. Which is the right answer? Its answer is it's a cells. Cell is the right answer because cell is it's a unit of all living organisms. ఇవన్నీ these are basic, ఇవన్నీ మనకు తెలిసిందే, బట్ యూ షుడ్ నో. అంటే మనకి తెలిసినవి కూడా ఒక్కొక్కసారి సిల్లీ మిస్టేక్స్ అని చేస్తుంటాం కదా. సో ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. A cell is the smallest structure and functional unit of all. Is it organism? B, tissue. C, tomato. D, none of the above. A cell is the smallest structure and functional unit of all. It's an organism is the right answer because each the cell of organism that perform a different functions like transport and for reproductions, for the nutrition purpose and for the excretions. For the different organism perform these all functions, right? Next one. Which of the following option is a function performed by a cell in an organism? Is it a nutrition, transportation, or excretion or reproduction? ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను కదా అబౌవ్ బిట్లో. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆప్షన్ ఫంక్షన్ పర్ఫార్మ్ సెల్ ఆర్గానిజం. సెల్ ఆర్గానిజం అనేది న్యూట్రిషన్, ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్, ఎక్స్క్రిషన్కి, రీప్రొడక్షన్కి, వీటన్నిటికీ it perform a functions. So all the above is the right answer. Next. The process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy is called. Is it aerobic respiration, or it's a cellular respiration, or it's anaerobic respiration, or D, none of the above? Which is the right answer? The breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy, it's called is a cellular respiration. This is the right answer. Cellular respiration is the right answer. Because cellular respiration, it takes place in the cells of all organisms. So this is the right answer. Next one. Dsc respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. Is it anaerobic respiration or aerobic, B, aerobic respiration, cellular respiration, or all of the above? Which is the right answer? It's the Dsc respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. Its answer is a cellular respiration. This is the right answer. Next one. Breakdown of glucose within the cell within the use of oxygen is called. Is it aerobic respiration, B, anaerobic respiration, C, cellular respiration, D, all of the above? Which is the right answer? It's a breakdown of glucose within the cell. It's a breakdown within the cell with the use of oxygen is called. It's aerobic. ఇవన్నీ మనకి ప్రీవియస్ బిట్స్. These are all important bits and basic bits kuda. So it's a aerobic respiration. This is the answer. Next one. Breakdown of food without using oxygen within a cell is called. Is it excretion, B, aerobic, C, cellular, D, anaerobic respiration? Breakdown of food without using oxygen. Without using oxygen means it's come under anaerobic respiration. This is the right answer. Next one. Glucose in absence of oxygen. Oxygen releases a carbon dioxide, water and energy, alcohol and the energy, or C, it's a water plus energy, or D, none of the above? Which is the right answer? It's a glucose in the absence of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, it releases a carbon dioxide, water and energy. This is the right answer. Next one. Dash organism can survive in the absence of air. They are called a dash. Yeast, tapeworm, both A and B. It's a D, none of the above, which is the right answer. It's the organism can survive in the absence of air they are asking. So it will be answer will be both the A and B, yeast and the tapeworm. They can survive in the absence of air through these are anaerobic respirations because they don't require oxygen for respirations. So yeast, tapeworm. A and B is the right answer. Next one, in absence of air, oxygen, glucose breaks down into. It's a energy plus alcohol, alcohol plus carbon dioxide, or carbon dioxide and the energy, alcohol, carbon dioxide and the energy, which is the right answer. Its answer is in the absence of air, oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol, carbon dioxide and the energy. This is the right answer. Next one, yeast of a single cell organisms are used to make. Yeast a single cell organisms are used to make. Is it a beer? B, it's a wine. It's a C, medicine, or it's a D, both A and B, which is the right answer. Its answer is a single cell organism used to make both A and B. This is the right answer. Both beer and wine, because yeast that convert glucose into ethanol, right? Ethanol and carbon dioxide. During fermentations, that is used in the productions of they are used in the productions of wine and beer. So both A and B is the right answer. Next one, during heavy exercise, the fast running, cycling, walking for many hours or heavy weight lifting, the demand for energy by our body is high. In this, what type of respiration takes place? Is it aerobic respiration, B, anaerobic respiration, C, cellular respiration, D, none of the above, which is the right answer. During heavy exercise and running and cycling during this time, it's a correct answer. It's a anaerobic. It's a answer is a anaerobic respiration, because it takes place in our muscles, right? When it takes place, the cell lactic acid produced during this process. During this process, the lactic acid is produced during cycling and running, exercising. Okay. Next one, glucose in the absence of oxygen respire. Is it A, acetic acid, B, it's energy, C, lactic acid plus energy, D, none of the above, which is a right answer. Glucose in the muscles, they are asking. In the absence of oxygen, it's a respire. It's a respire. It's a release lactic acid and the energy. This is the right answer. Next one, the partial breakdown of glucose produces. The glucose it's a produces is it lactic acid, acetic acid, formic acid, or hydrochloric acid, which is the right answer. It's the partial breakdown of glucose that produces a lactic acid. This is the right answer. A. Next one, the accumulation of lactic acid causes muscles. Lactic acid release అయినప్పుడు what they cause in the muscles. Muscles లో ఏముంటుంది? Pain or cramp or bone damage or none of the above, which is the right answer. It's a lactic, when the lactic acid causes in the muscle, it's cause ఏంటంటే క్రాంప్స్ అనేది అవుతుంది, బికాస్ లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఇన్ మజిల్స్ ఇట్ కాజ్ when they release lactic acid in muscles, that it cause cramps. This is the right answer. Next one, dash means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organ. Is it a breathing అంటామా, దాన్ని inhalation అంటామా, exhalation అంటామా, all of the above, which is the right answer. Its answer is breathing. Breathing, it's a this is A is the right answer. Means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? బ్రీతింగ్ అని అంటారు కదా. ఇన్హలేషన్ అంటే when we breathe, exhalation అంటే when we leave outside the carbon dioxide, దాన్ని exhalation అంటారు. ఇన్హలేషన్ అంటే it's go inside, right? Next one, taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called. Taking of air rich in oxygen into the body, it's called exhalation. This is the right answer. Sorry, this is not right answer. Taking air rich in oxygen into the body. మన బాడీలో ఏం తీసుకుంటామో exhalation we not. Its answer is inhale చేస్తాం. Its inhalation is the right answer. This. Next one, giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is known as. అంటే మనం ఎయిర్ ఇట్స్ గివింగ్ అవుట్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? రెస్పిరేషన్, ఎగ్జలేషన్, ఇన్హలేషన్, నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబవ్. ఇట్స్ ఎగ్జలేషన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. B is the right answer. Next one. Number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as a breathing rate, breathing minute, pulse rate, or none of the above. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ పర్సన్ దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? బ్రీతింగ్ రేట్ అని అంటారా, దాన్ని బ్రీతింగ్ మినిట్ అంటారా, పల్స్ రేట్ అని చెప్తారా, లేకపోతే నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబవ్? విచ్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ ఇట్స్ బ్రీతింగ్ రేట్. దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే మనం అనదర్ నేమ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద రెస్పిరేషన్ రేట్ కూడా అని పిలుస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, యావరేజ్ బ్రీతింగ్ రేట్. Average breathing rate at rest in a minute in a normal human body. It takes 10 times in a minute, or 25 times in a minute, or 15 to 18 times in a minute, or 25 to 30 times in a minute. How many times take? So averagely it will be take in 15 to 18 times in a minute. This is the right answer. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.